see my new update video. Sob manu humai sila aji the weather hal hua karne aji to iku ni lena dena iku nai hole bi apni khan ke moila channel ke support kura karne bishi thanks koi kina idu ko bole ase 6k subscriber apni khan loga moto biar tia karne moi 6k bunchi ke koi kina idu die ase. Hello. Who is the lucky person? May I know you, please? Please comment down below. Bisa Naga. Okay, thank you, Bisa Naga. Bishmung, thank you for watching my live. Moi ikut dibole nai hole bi apni ra moi ke biar mohobot mola channel de dia karne bishi khushi paise. Joldi Sadi Khan lo share kuri dibi kokina itu bi chan ki ase. Actually, moi this morning ahi bole thake nai hole bi last night I have updated that I will coming live on 8 p.m. But because of technical issue, I cannot able to do properly in my diving last night. So that's why I'm apologizing you to everyone, to my subscriber. Moi last sub family members kan logo moi ma bangye ase. Apni khan osore moi ahibole para nai kali rati 8:30 p.m. de moi ahibo goado network olop pia thagise. Idu karne moi la video do live kuribole para nai. Athai hoise idu bache de moi idu delete kuri dise koina idu khata para chan diase. So you may be confused that actually I'm in Dimapur, but under the Assam Korlongri near boundary side of Dimapur. So apni khan moila video new update kura check nokrigen thakile check korbi. My first experience visiting any Greece tea estate in Assam it will be visit koshe aro Korlongri the full Nagarajan my experience itu lakaise aro Bungro Dimapur my experience with food itu bi thakibo itu bi check out kuribi aro apni kan moila video de olop comment kuribo suggestion kuribo bole tate moi ge likhibole paribo kina itu bi khata para chan di ase.